Be informed. Be alert. The information you need to know about COVID-19 vaccine. Right here, right now, on The Vax.
Ang coronavirus or viruses in general, normal na sa ila ang mutation. Kumbaga, mutation actually is a random event. It happens in all organisms. Bisan sa tao, ang gakatabo sina is that the reason why, for example, or bacteria, is because mas dasig sila magdamo compared to other organisms like ang tao. For example, for humans, it took millions of years of evolution for for mutations to occur that will, kumbaga, benefit the genetic makeup of humans. In the case of viruses, their generation time is much quicker compared to humans. And because of that faster generation time, your rate of evolution or ang chances nga magkaroon ng mutation that will be more beneficial for the virus is faster. Subong, ang butsilungon sang more beneficial na mutation para sa virus is that mas beneficial siya in the sense nga mas maka-infect siya sa iban pa nga tao. Kaya ang virus hindi siya maka-replicate if it's not inside our bodies. The only way for the virus to replicate and reproduce is for them to infect us. Now, the more na nakaka-infect ang isa ka virus, mas gataas ang chances sang mutation. These mutations could be good or bad. When we say good for the virus, it means that it becomes more infectious. It gives the virus a better chance of infecting other people. When we say it's bad for the virus, wala siyang masyadong effect there are some mutations na wala masyadong effect sa transmissibility, sa reproduction rate ng virus. And ang concern natin are the mutations that give this virus the ability to infect more people. So, that's why it's very important to get vaccinated. Kay kung vaccinated ka, you reduce the chances of being infected, or you reduce the chances of providing a host for the virus to replicate further. And in effect, you're also reducing the chances of it further mutating and producing other variants that are more, infectious for humans.